6 months of beard growing. No trimming of the length of the beard. Only side trims allowed when I get my hair cut once a month. But we've made it. It's the half year already, and the last 6 months have absolutely flown by. I kind of don't know where 6 months have gone. And actually, this 6-month beard, I think it's on par with my previous beard. So you know before I decided to trim it down and did sort of a beard stash, I think this beard is looking pretty damn good, and we're only halfway through the year so far. It's very full, it's very healthy. I've got a healthy mustache going on. I'm just looking in the mirror because I've just styled the old mustache using some of this incredible stuff, and I'm pretty happy with the results overall. I've got some beard butter in today. The beard is sitting very nicely, and I just wanted to talk about, I just want to talk about some stuff that I've got planned coming up on the channel. A giveaway that I want to do when we hit 1,000 subscribers, which is really not that far off now whatsoever. And really, I just want to give you the #1 tip to growing a solid and full beard like this in just 6 months. So let's start off with that. So it's really simple to grow a really full and thick beard in a very fast amount of time, and it really is as simple as not touching a razor, and I mean pretty much not touching one whatsoever. And there's one problem that I see in so many people. So many guys really want to grow a decent long beard, a full beard, and the first thing they start doing is this. They start messing around with their cheek line, and that really screws their chances of growing a decent beard up straight away. So here's why. So imagine you've got a brand new beard, it's in its first couple of weeks, and you decide to line the beard, but you line it below the mouth or in line with the mouth, and you get that sort of look going on. It might be straight with a sideburn, or it might be very angular like that. And you've kind of set the foundation for your beard very early on. For me, I didn't touch the cheek line for 4 weeks, and then I let my barber just bring it down a tiny little bit. I'm not even sure if I touched it for the first 8 weeks. I really can't remember, but it was a significant period of time. And equally now, I don't really touch the cheeks. I see so many guys with cheek lines down here with a full beard. Really, they've just got a chin strap and a bit of hair coming underneath. If you want a decent full beard, you need to let the hair grow from sort of this sort of level, grow downwards, and equally do not touch the neckline. So many guys trim their neckline up to under their chin, so they've got that face beard, and they bring the cheek line. So they kind of just have a strap of hair here, and that strap they think is going to grow downwards like this. It isn't. Most of this hair is my neck beard, like all that. I haven't trimmed my neck beard since, I can't even remember. I did a video in like the first 3 to 5 weeks, I think, of the year, and that was the only time I trimmed my neckline. That was just to show you guys how to do it, really. I wanted to give you some value. And since then, nothing has come off my neck. So it's meant that I've got this huge neck beard. I've got this huge chin beard coming down here, because I kind of think of the beard as different segments. So you've got the side beard. So these parts of your beard, they go down like to normally around this sort of level at present. You've got the chin beard, which grows straight down and kind of stops here. You have the mustache, which obviously grows that way, and then neck beard. The neck beard is the most important part. It just balloons out, and you can eventually start to style it. But if you take the cheek line too low and you bring the neckline up, you've just got a bit of the cheeks here, or a bit of the side beard, and then you've just got the chin beard. And the chin beard really isn't the strongest part. It kind of is the front facing bit, and it kind of gives the overall sort of shape to the beard. But if you've only got shape and no support and no length coming here, you're not going to get that decent long beard. So just stop trimming the cheeks, stop trimming the neck, and that way you're going to get a decent, long and full, thick, whatever kind of beard very quickly, guys. It really is that simple. So moving on to kind of like what I've got planned for the channel for the rest of the year. There's going to be a lot of unboxings, a lot of reviews going forward. I'm going to be trying out different products on the mustache, especially as I try and like play around with that. If I go to any beard competitions, I'll try and bring you along to that as well. I'm trying to post 3 times a week. It is a bit of a struggle sometimes because I have kind of a manic kind of consultancy that I run, and I'm at work 5 days a week, quite long hours, and a family. So I'm trying to post 3 times a week. It won't always happen, but that is the goal. And we're just going to carry on growing until the end of July. The year series, like I said in the previous video, will end sort of mid-August, and we'll just go from there. But we're just going to keep bringing more value, more tips on how to grow a really thick, full, and healthy beard in a short period of time. And I thank you for stopping by and watching, and for your attention today. Like I said, just stop touching a razor, stop bringing your cheek line down too low, stop bringing your neckline up. Just leave both of them alone. Do the cheek line once every couple of weeks, or just leave it all natural and you're going to win. I'll see you very soon, guys. Goodbye.